You've heard of Thumbtack, you've seen what Urban Company did across Asia, Airtasker built an entire economy around it in Australia, TaskRabbit turned odd jobs into $1 billion acquisition. What do all of them have in common? They didn't invent home services, they just built the platform that connected people who need help with people who can provide it. And right now, in 2026, that opportunity is still wide open. Hyper-local markets, underserved niches, regions where people are still calling a number they found on a flyer. If you've been thinking about launching your own home services or Handyman app, this video is your complete roadmap. We're covering why this market is on fire, what your app needs to look like, how AI can give you a serious edge, and how iTechnoLabs can get you from idea to live platform fast. Let's get into it. Section 1. The market opportunity. The global home services market is on track to cross $1.5 trillion. That's not a typo. Cleaning, plumbing, electrical work, pest control, appliance repair, handyman services, demand is growing every single year, and consumers in 2026 expect one thing: book it from their phone, get it done. The old way, calling around, waiting for a callback, paying cash with no record, people are tired of it. They want ratings. They want real profiles. They want to pick a time slot the same way they book a restaurant. That expectation gap between what customers want and what most local service businesses offer, that is your business opportunity. And unlike food delivery or ride hailing, home services is still fragmented in most cities and regions. There is no single dominant player in hundreds of markets around the world. The window is open. Section 2. Who this is for. So who should actually build this? If you're an entrepreneur who wants to launch a marketplace in your city or niche, this is for you. If you run an existing home service business and want to digitize and scale it, this is for you. If you want to aggregate multiple service categories under one branded platform, absolutely, this is for you. You don't need to start from zero. You need the right foundation and the right partner. We'll come back to that. Section 3. What your app needs. The 3-panel model. Every successful home services platform runs on 3 connected panels. Let's break them down. The customer app. Your customers open the app, browse available services and service providers, check out real profiles with ratings, reviews, and portfolio photos so they know exactly who's showing up at their door. They pick a package that fits their budget, choose a preferred date and time, apply a promo code if they have one, and check out with multiple payment options seamlessly. That's the experience that builds trust and brings them back. The service provider app. On the other side, your providers get real-time order notifications the moment a booking comes in. They can review the full order details, accept or decline, and manage their entire schedule from one screen. They can track their earnings, view payout history, manage their service listings, add packages, and keep their profile updated. When providers feel in control of their business, they stay on your platform. That's your supply side, protected. The admin panel, and then there's you, the business owner. From one dashboard, you get advanced analytics across the entire platform. You can send real-time alerts to providers, manage and optimize your marketing campaigns, handle disputes, and control every moving part of your marketplace. This isn't just a backend, it's your command center. Section 4, the AI edge, what we can build on top. Here's where it gets really interesting and where most platforms are still behind. At iTechnoLabs, we can layer AI-powered features directly onto the solution to give your platform a serious competitive edge. AI-based provider matching. Instead of customers scrolling through a list, your app intelligently recommends the best available provider based on location, past ratings, job type, and availability. Fewer drop-offs, higher satisfaction, smart scheduling, and dynamic pricing. The system learns peak demand windows and can adjust pricing or availability automatically, maximizing revenue for providers and keeping your platform efficient. Predictive demand insights for admins. Your dashboard can show you which services are trending in which areas before the spike hits, so you can recruit providers proactively and run targeted campaigns. AI-powered review analysis. Instead of reading hundreds of reviews manually, your admin panel summarizes sentiment, flags recurring complaints, and surfaces your top performers automatically. Automated re-engagement. AI identifies customers who haven't booked in a while and triggers personalized offers to bring them back without you lifting a finger. Smart fraud and dispute detection. The system flags suspicious booking patterns or payment anomalies in real time, protecting both your platform and your providers. This is not future tech. This is what we build today, on top of a solution that's already production ready. So here's where we come in. At iTechnoLabs, we've already built a fully production ready home services platform, customer app, service provider app and admin panel, all of it, working, tested, and ready to be customized for your brand, your market, and your vision. We're not just a development agency, we work as your technology partner, from scoping your idea to building and launching your product to supporting you as you scale. If you're serious about launching a home services app in 2026, you don't need to spend a year building from scratch. You need a team that's already solved the hard problems and can focus on making your version of it exceptional. Drop a comment below, send us a DM, or hit the link in the description. Tell us about your idea, and let's talk about what it takes to bring it to life. iTechnoLabs, your technology partner from day one.